Hi everyone. Lighting can make or break a portrait. You can have the best camera, the sharpest lens, and a perfect model. But without perfect lighting, your photos can never reach their full potentials. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 secrets that professional photographers use to create stunning, polished, and magazine quality portraits. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Secret number 1 is using a large light source for softer and flattering skin. One of the most essential keys to a beautiful portrait is soft light. And soft light comes from a large light source. But here's a real secret. The light source has to be large relative to the size of your subject. The larger it is relative to your subject, the softer light you can get. And another secret is when you use a large light source, like a softbox, you can get softer light just by moving it closer to your subject. And when you get your light source close to your subject, you get a softer skin and fewer harsh shadows and a smoother transition between the shadows and the highlights. Let me show you over here. I'm going to have this light closer, and as you can see, I can get a softer skin and a better transition between the shadows and highlights. And if I start moving this away from the subject, then I can get harsher light. Secret number 2 is controlling the direction of the light. Light direction sets the mood of your portrait. Some photographers just leave the light anywhere and they just hope for the best. And that is not right. The best place to put your main light or key light is at a 45-degree angle. At 45-degree angle, you get that classic look with depth and dimension. You can change the lighting, the angle, and let me show you over here. Just by lowering this and moving it, you can see that you can have the side light, or even you can have the hair light. So it's all up to you. How do you want to establish the mood of your image, of your portrait? When you place your light source, don't think that you're just placing a light. You are designing the light. You are shaping it and you're controlling the mood of the portraits that you are taking. Now let's get to secret number 3. Secret number 3 is adding a separation light. One of the biggest mistakes in portrait photography is that you let your subject blend into the background. And to fix the issue is just adding a separation light. Let me show you what do I mean by separation. So by adding light, by adding hair light you can separate your subject from the background, or it can come from the back. It's called backlight. Or you can just light the background and separate it from your subject, or you can do it from the side. So if the light is coming from that way, I'm gonna rim this from the opposite side. Separation light separates your subject and brings it forward. So it's gonna give it some kind of a depth. Using separation light takes your photography from good to professional instantly. Let's get to secret number 4. Secret number 4 is modifying the light. There are a few kinds of modifiers. You can use a simple reflector. Let me show you how you can control the shadows on your subject just using a very small reflector. And you can use umbrellas, you can use softboxes with grids. You can use these lights with grids just to keep the light from spilling around and concentrating the light on your subject. Just like this. And this is how you guide your viewers' attention to exactly where you want. Now let's get to secret number 5. Secret number 5 is to match your lighting to the story that you're gonna be telling your viewers. And here's the secret. Most of the photographers think that lighting is technical, but lighting is emotional. For example, for a romantic and gentle portraits, you can use soft and diffused light. And for a dramatic and powerful portrait, you can use hard and directional light. And naturally, for commercial headshots, you can use clean and even lighting. When you're designing the lighting for a portrait, think about mood, character, and the story behind your portrait. And don't forget that the lighting that you design is supporting the message that you're sending your viewers. So these are my 5 secrets that I wanted to share with you. Just master them, and I promise you that your portrait photography is gonna jump into another level, and it's gonna be polished and professional. If you wanna get deeper into lighting for portrait, you can watch this video of mine over here. And if you want to use flash and strobes for your portrait photography, take a look at this video of mine. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If you did, just go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every week on Monday or Tuesday. And when you subscribe to the channel, you won't be missing any of the future videos. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And as always, take good care of yourself, keep shooting, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.